In this video we will cover setting up your Sunsynk Wi-Fi dongle with a mobile device. Let's take a look at the phone screen to see the process step by step. The first step is to connect your phone to the dongle's Wi-Fi hotspot. The dongle's password is 12345678. You will see that the dongle states no internet connection. This is normal for a Wi-Fi dongle as it does not pass the internet connection through to your device. Select the IP address 10.10.10.1. Enter this into your browser. The dongle configuration page will then load. Select Scan. You will then see the Wi-Fi hotspots that are available. Once the list is populated, select your Wi-Fi network and enter your router's password, the Wi-Fi password for your internet connection. Select Connect, and you should see the message Set Success. This means that the Wi-Fi password entered is correct and your dongle should now be online.